Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about vertical and horizontal lines. Again, this is going to be a rather quick video because it's just a really simple information. But again, if you have any questions that you might want to ask me, feel free to come into Zoom from 9 a.m. till about 3 p.m. on Fridays. You can also message me on any platform that you can to get help. Whatever you need to do in order to help you understand this stuff, I will be there. Okay, so let's talk about vertical lines first. A vertical line is written in the form x equals a, where a is the line's x-intercept. So in other words, in order to write the equation for the line, we're going to look for the x-intercept, which is right here, and we're going to set it equal to x. So what is the x-intercept? Well, that's 3. So the equation of the vertical line would be x equals 3. And that's it for vertical lines. Let's talk about horizontal lines. A horizontal line is written in the form y equals a, where a is the y-intercept. So if we look at this guy, our y-intercept looks to be right here. And the value of y at that point is 1. So the equation of the horizontal line would be y equals 1. And that's it for horizontal lines. Okay, remember, if the line intersects the x-axis, and it's either vertical or horizontal, it's an x equals a problem. If the line intersects the y-axis, it's a y equals a problem. Just keep that in mind. So let's go through some examples. Again, I'm going to go through about 3 of these. And all the others are going to be yours to try on your own. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3. You're going to do 4, 5, and 6. And then on the next page, I'm going to do 7, 9, 11. You're going to be in charge of 8, 10, and 12. So let's go ahead and do number 1. So we're asked to write the equation of the line shown on the graph. So this is a vertical or horizontal line. We're looking for any intercepts. It looks like it has an x-intercept, and that x-intercept is at -2. So the equation for this line is x equals -2. And that's number 1 done. Number 2, we're looking for x and y intercepts. It looks like this guy has a y-intercept, and an intercept at y equals 3. So our equation is y equals 3. Next, we have number 3. We're looking for x or y intercepts. We have a y-intercept, so this is a horizontal line. And we're asked to create the equation, so that's going to be y equals, it looks like it intercepts at -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -5. And 4, 5, and 6 are yours to complete on your own. Let's go ahead and go to the next page. So, with these, we're given the equation, and we're wanting to graph the equation. So with number 7, we have y equals 5. So that means that our y-intercept is at 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since it's y equals, I know it's a horizontal line. So there we go. Number 7's done. Number 8's yours. Number 10's yours. And number 12 is yours. Let's move on to number 9. So number 9, we have x equals 3. So x equals 3. That's an x-intercept, so we're going to write it down here. And since it's x equals, we know that's going to be a vertical line. So here is the graph of the equation. And next, number 11, we have y equals 4. So that tells me there's a y-intercept at 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's y equals, so I know this is a horizontal line. Okay. Now, let's continue with some questions that need to be asked. 13. What is the slope of the line y equals 4? Well, you have to think, is this a vertical or horizontal line? Well, in this case, it would be horizontal, and horizontal lines have a 0 slope. Number 14. what is the slope of the line x equals -2? Ask yourself, is that vertical or horizontal? It's vertical. And since it's vertical, we have a slope that is undefined. 15. What is the slope of the line x equals 0? Well, again, it's a vertical line, so that tells me the slope is undefined. And we have number 16, which is, which axis is y equals -1 parallel to? Well, is y equals -1 a horizontal or vertical line? Well, it's horizontal. And since it's horizontal, we know that it's going to be parallel to the x-axis. Next one is, which axis is x equals 4 parallel to? Well, we have that x equals 4 is a vertical line, and the vertical axis is the y-axis. Okay? Now, I want you to do 18 by yourself. It says, how does the graph of y equals 3 differ from y equals 3x? Give graph both and then explain the differences. And I will be reading those and seeing what you think. And lo and behold, we are done. That's our video for this week. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on any platform that you deem necessary. Remember that I have office hours on Friday, and you're more than welcome to pop in however many times you need. If you have any other questions, please reach out to me. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.